Jump and exhale, spread the legs out. Very good. Now extend your both arms up towards the ceiling. Straight arms up. Now I want the opening to be at least 3.5 to 4 feet distance. So spread more. Don't have a short gap. Good. And then you hold your waist. Good. Now you're moving your right foot out 90 degree. Make sure your heel, this is something which many people doesn't know. Your heel should be in a line. Your heel should be in a line to the middle arch of the foot. If I draw a line from the heel till the middle arch of the foot, it should be straight. Okay? You're not aligning your heel to heel or heel to toe. I said heel should be in a line to the middle arch of the back foot. Okay? And then from here, everything comes from here. If you're not able to move this, for sure you're not able to move the knee. That's why a lot of people, they're not able to control their trunk. They move something like this. Because the groin is very tight. And then stay here. And then you take your both arms to the sides. And with an exhalation, go down into Utthita Trikonasana. You can hold the block, you can hold your ankle. It's all up to you. I'm giving you a variation here. You should feel your groin. This is very important area. The inner thigh needs to stretch. Lift the sides. The back leg should be firm, tucking your toes slightly in. Heavy back leg.